Open the roof editor and modify the footprint perimeter before defining the roof slabs. Use the anchor points of individual polyline segments to define projections and/or recesses. Customize the polyline. You can also define a constant projection along the entire perimeter of the building.